Well, students, in continuation of understanding quadrilaterals, in this chapter we are going to learn today the exterior angle property of a quadrilateral. As we know that the meaning of exterior angle of a quadrilateral is the angle which is outside of the quadrilateral adjacent to the interior angle and makes total angle with the interior angle is 180 degree is the exterior angle. So today we will performing one activity for the exterior angle of a quadrilateral. So its objective is we have to verify the sum of exterior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now today we are going to verify that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we need to know here what is a polygon, a closed figure made by joining line segments. Exterior angle, its vertices outside the polygon formed by one side and the extension of an adjacent side. So here it is the definition for the, or it is defining what is the exterior angle of a polygon is the angle at a vertex of the polygon outside the polygon formed by one side and the extension of an adjacent side. Today we need the material for the activity is paper, glue stick, color pens or pencils or scissor. So let's perform the activity. First of all, we have to draw a quadrilateral on a sheet of paper like this. Okay, now name the vertices of this quadrilateral as ABCD, and also we observe here on the drawing sheet these all are the exterior angles of the quadrilateral. So like this we have to make the exterior angles on the drawing sheet. Then shade all the exterior angles of the quadrilateral with 4 different colors. Then cut all these 4 exterior angles from this paper like this. This is the exterior angle A, this is exterior angle D, this is exterior angle B, and this is the exterior angle C. So we have the 4 cutouts of the exterior angles of the quadrilateral ABCD. In the next step, we have to arrange all these 4 exterior angles in such a way that they join one adjacent to other with a point. So we are joining the 4 exterior angles. So what we are getting here in this figure, at a point all the angles are being joined. So here we observe that in this one figure number 5, all 4 exterior angles form a circle, and we know that a circle has an angle of 360 degree. That means we can say the sum of all 4 exterior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So here our activity work complete, which shows that the exterior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now what about the exterior angles of other polygons like a triangle? Sum of exterior angles or sum of exterior angles of hexagon or pentagon. So here it is. When we join all the 3 exterior angles of a triangle, we get that they form a circle. That means in the triangle sum of exterior angles is 360 degree. Here in this figure, this hexagon, all the 6 angles, when we join one adjacent other, we get a circle again. So this shows that sum of the all exterior angles of hexagon is also 360 degree. In the quadrilateral, as we proved, in a pentagon also, all the 5 angles, when we join together, we get a circle. So this also shows that in a pentagon, exterior angles is 360 degree. So here we can conclude that the polygon with any number of side, the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree.